In today's video, we're going to have a look at Google Drive. This is quite a good place to start because everything that you do in G Suite will find itself in Google Drive. So all of the documents you create, if you use Google Classroom, if you're using things like Screencastify to make videos, everything is going to end up in your Google Drive. So it's probably quite important that you do familiarize yourself with it. And one of the suggestions I would make is to try and keep it tidy. So many of you have probably got your own Google account and therefore have probably used Drive. But if you haven't, its icon looks like that. Okay, so if I want to access Drive, I've checked I'm logged on to my Saltus account, and then I can go to the apps and I can click there. I can also actually go up into the search bar and just type in my Drive. You can see it's there. Okay, and that will take me in as well. Now, there's not a huge amount in my Drive at the moment because this is a new Saltus account, and that will be the same for all of you. I'm sure that will change over time as we get going. So let's just have a quick look around. So because I went to my Drive, it's gone straight to it. It shows me what's in the quick access. In other words, the stuff that I've been working on recently. And that's everything I've been doing to build this website. If I want the search Drive, I can look for certain documents. I've clicked in it and already it's brought up various things. I can also look by category. So I could actually search for videos, presentations, and so on. If I do an advanced search, again, it will perhaps search for presentations, who the owner is. So if I've created them or if there's something that has been given to me by somebody else and that I've shared. Okay, so quite a handy little thing to be able to actually do an advanced search as well. So that should help you find things. What else do we have? We have priority. If you actually go into Drive from the app, you'll find that that's the default. And again, that shows you the stuff that you've been working on a lot recently, and it assumes that that's the things that you will be looking for straight away. It tries to be intuitive. So there's my Drive again. And you can see I've got those files at the top, and then underneath I've got some folders. Those folders, some of them I created, but actually some of them Drive created or G Suite created, in that when I set up and started to use Google Classroom, it made a folder for Classroom. This is great because it will help you be organized. If I click on that, you can see that I've already created some classes in my Google Classroom. So there's one for my AP Computer Science A. There's nothing in there yet because I'm still busy setting those up. Okay, and that's a later video. We look at that. But you can see that obviously that one was created for me. And then when I created the classes, the other subfolders were created as well. Screencastify, that's the app, this app here that I'm using now to record this video. And again, really handy because Drive will actually record straight into there. So all of my recordings that you will see on this website are in my Screencastify folder. So any recordings you do for lessons using Screencastify will appear there. So you can find them straight away. Some of these others like docs, slides, sites, SGY advisory, I created those folders. So how did I do it? Well, I just clicked new folder. Okay, so I'm just going to make a test folder, click create, and there's my folder. I double click into it. Maybe I want some subfolders. There's a subfolder within it, and so on. So this will help keep you organized. One of the things I can do, I can click and drag. So say I want to put graffiti wall into test, I can just click and drag and put it in there. Okay, so pretty much the same as if you were using Windows. You make your folders, put your files in the appropriate place.